Here's some things you can do to increase the value of a condo that you plan to sell for a flip or in the future. Old appliances for new appliances. The kitchen has been shown to be one of the best places to get the best ROI on your investment, meaning if you spend $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 on a kitchen renovation for new appliances, you should be able to get the best ROI, return on your investment, for the resale part. So I recommend, fridge, oven, microwave, dishwasher, and for this one especially, getting a new washer and dryer. These are front loaders, which are better than top loaders. And what side is it here? This side here. These are full-sized washer and dryer units in a condo, which are very convenient when you have to do a lot of laundry at once. I also recommend painting the walls. You could do this yourself or get a painter to do it. This is a 2-bedroom condo, so it takes a little bit longer time. If it is a bigger condo, might want to go with crown molding as well. Sometimes for smaller condos, it makes it a little bit look smaller. I'd feel smaller, but for this unit, it opens it up. It makes it look really nice. Try to see if you can upgrade your flooring. So if you had some carpet here, it's a big difference. This laminate looks really nice throughout the whole condo. They did it into both bedrooms. Of course, they left tile for the bathrooms, but this laminate looks really smooth throughout. And of course, you don't want some old carpets in there. So this vinyl makes this condo look amazing. If you're doing the laminate flooring, you might as well get the baseboards redone. New baseboards are important for heating. This unit has it throughout, which makes it very nice and warm when you need it to be. New backsplash look really nice. We did do new countertops as well. For this unit, they decided to leave the countertops. They were in good condition and they left the backsplash as well. But if you had some older counters and some ugly backsplash, maybe some big white ones that just don't look well with stains, if you're doing the countertop, it's great to do the backsplash as well. It makes it pop. Go with the neutral color, either gray, white, or black, and something simple that suits the kitchen. I would also recommend changing out the bathroom. If the toilet's not looking great, the sink's a little beat up, these ones aren't, but I would obviously get a new faucet, toilet, and especially the shower. Very important, especially this is the master bedroom. You want a big shower, you want it nice and open. If there's grout buildup in the tiles here, you want to get rid of that. But that's one way you can definitely increase value, put some sweat equity into it. Last tip would be to get professional cleaners. As you can see, these windows here, I don't know if they're a little bit dirty. Professional cleaners would be able to clean this up, make the unit show so much newer. It's great, yes, to clean it, but there's some things that are just harder to clean. You want the professionals in there, especially this gas fireplace needs a little bit of a clean. This unit shows well on the ground. It's decluttered, which is awesome. It's one of the most important things. But a professional cleaner would come in here, get the things that you can't see, get the harder, deeper cleans around the cracks. So yeah, that would be another recommendation to add some value to your unit for the resale.